Alright, so got me some dummy lights in. Installed them. Excuse my bike, it's a little bit dusty right now. I gotta clean it down or wipe it down. But as you can see, gold chain, gold twisted pedals, gold fenders, twisted sissy bar. Got them 144 spokes on there. Gold fenders, gold trim on my bullet light, gold mirrors. Twisted chain guard. I have to cut it so it can fit though. Fine. But main thing is I installed the bullet lights. I'm sorry, dummy lights. So I got a battery pack that I seen for another guy here on YouTube. He told me to go ahead and buy one of these little battery packs. It's not all the way done yet because I gotta hide it. It's pretty much one of these. Put some 4 AA batteries. Got your positive, your negative, your ground actually. Get the extra wire. Bought extra wire, kind of ran it through. Can't see it too much. So when you're ready to ride, connect it, ground it. Damn. Got your lights. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Thinking about getting something for the front now. She's almost ready. Still missing the steering wheel. I'm going to get a twisted one, gold, but she looks good. So that's basically all you gotta do to hook up the dummy lights. Just get you some extra gauge wire. I believe I got 18 gauge. Kind of tucked them under the seat, hiding it. Get your little battery pack. Hook up the ground. I got the little clip so I can just clip it, and that's it. I'm not using that, just stick it here, but I just clip it to the seat. Lights are on. Done. Might post a couple more videos, let you know what else I add on there and how to put it on there. If you have any questions, hit me up.